I'm blazing through Codeacademy front-end engineering course and full stack course. Yeah, 1 week in, check the progress. Yeah, I'm on 30% right now, 1 week in, but I've been at it every day. On JavaScript, I'm on 52%. I've completed some other courses on, obviously, on other websites and so on and so forth. So looking pretty good on the full stack. The full stack engineering path, I'm sitting on 19%. So that's like in a week. So it's been hectic. Very little sleep, but yeah, I've been breaking the content into parts. Like I'll focus for 30 minutes and then I'll take a break for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's the Pomodoro technique repetitively, and yeah, I break it up to segments, and yeah, and I go straight through all day. Yeah, for a couple of hours, then maybe I'll take 30 minutes or an hour break, have some lunch. So yeah, it's going well, but I'm still trying to grasp some concepts that I feel that I'm not comfortable with. So I just go back and I redo it until I'm comfortable. So yeah, so that I can just chunk all that information into my brain. And sometimes you just need to rest and obviously exercise a bit, get that blood flowing to the brain again, to make sure that you're chunking the information properly so that you can recall. Very, very important. All right, guys, this was just a quick update on my progress on the full stack and the front end engineering courses through Codeacademy. So this is like 1 week progress, 1 week and a half, not even. I think it's still, yeah, about a week, but I've been going flat out. All right, check you guys. Cheers, bye.